This is our new makeshift kitchen in the dining room. We've just kind of set up our toaster oven and kind of just made this home for a little bit. So we're going to go in here and check out what's new in the kitchen today. Look at that, I got the outside trash can inside. Wonderful. It's going to be for my tear out. We've got lots of tear out going on right now at the moment. We are experiencing some difficulty because there are lots of screws holding and nails holding this cabinet in. Fully constructed together, which has made it more difficult than I anticipated. Got the plumbing capped off and everything going there. We got a slow drip, so that plumbing's going to have to be taken care of, so it doesn't create any future problems. This tile was obviously directly on top of plywood, over top of laminate when the house was first built, and there's some mold damage and some rot issues, so we're going to be fixing that. But all this tile is coming out, and we're going to be replacing it. So there's not a whole lot of light in here, but we're going to fix that when I get my spotlight going. But all this in a couple hours is going to get ripped out. So we get my safety goggles on and get things rolling here. This light will eventually come down as well. And we got lots of sheetrock issues in the pantry from tear out, but a little sheetrock mud and some repair screen goes a long way. So looking forward to that. So thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you later.